So here is EasyGlam app AI photo editor. Let's just check it out. Uh, what this app is capable of. It was for a while. It's like 5 6 years old app, but it introduced a lot of AI features recently, and so yeah, you can just open it up, and then yeah, you can just see uh, how it works, and then yeah, you can just see premium access, 3 months $25, or weekly $7 per week, and then yeah, you can just see that this app has a lot of AI features like hair coloring, face retouch, makeup transfer, makeup looks, celebrity tween, and basically that's the idea, that you can create this kind of make. So, for example, as just a test, you can have some kind of no makeup photo of yourself, and then you wanna upload some makeup tester. So then you can have add makeup from some other photo, or you can see some interesting ideas how it looks with other person, and then you can see all types of makeup in here, and then you can just test out how it will look like. It's quite cool, and you can use this app for free just to try it out. um, you know there is another app which is called Glam AI, where you need to pay right away. In this app, you can actually use it for free right away just to test it out. So yeah, you have this kind of app, and that's what it is.